What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the NBA Dimes channel. We've got some of these hanger boxes for NBA Donruss. Let's see, we've got 5 here, and we're going to wrap 1 per video and have them up on the YouTube channel probably every second day potentially, depending on timing. And so these are, so you get 3 hanger box exclusive green flood parallels, and I think the hit, not guaranteed 1 per box, but autographs and signature series. So hoping for the Mellow Ball, obviously the rookies that we've been after in past videos on the Way Too Mad channel. And yeah, hope for some good luck. This is only one pack per box, as you'll see. A lot of base as well, which is pretty much the whole Donruss vibe I'm getting. But we'll rip into it and see how we go. Hope for some good luck, you know. Show you guys the layout of these. So it's not like the other boxes where there's multiple packs. One clear pack. So we can see there, Bismack Biyombo and the rookie CJ Allaby. So it'll be 15 or so, or probably more than that actually. 30 base all the way back to there. A few rookies, and then our green floods will be in the middle here. Let's rip in, get involved. Have some good luck. Like and sub for some good luck. I'll go through the bases even though I'm not that interested. I'll put the rest down here. I think there is an order on this one actually. It's got Bismack Biyombo, Aaron Bain, Kyrie Irving, Jaren Jackson Jr., Matisse Thybulle, DeAndre Ayton, don't think I've got him before, Patty Mills, Norman Powell, Davis, Otto Porter Jr., Robert Covington, James Harden, Kemba Walker, Jarrett Culver, Sabonis, Pacers, worst team, Josh Hart, Kevin Porter Jr., Rudy Gobert, Jarrett Bledsoe, Donovan Mitchell, Chris Middleton, Malcolm Brogdon, D'Lo, Clint Capella, Kendrick Nunn, and the base just continues. It's a nightmare, this base. Wendell Carter Jr., Jarrett Allen, Lonnie Walker, Joe Ingles, Jeff Teague, Al Horford, Jay Crowder. Coming up the green floods. These will be our hits. Troy Brown Jr. Okay, this is our auto here. I don't know which way this one goes. JGR. That's the initials up here. Shooting guard JGR. That's not ringing a bell. Look for the team. It's a Dallas Mav. JGR. Josh Green. I think that'll be our order. Let's have a wee look here. What's this cut? Is it a rookie? Houston Rocket? Not a rookie. Russell Westbrook. This is our order. Josh Green. Good rookie order there. Nice. I'll take that. Then we've got Russell Westbrook. And then do we have another rookie? No. And it is a Cav. Colin Sexton? No. Tristan Thompson. I will sleeve these all up in a sec. And this is our other one. Now playing Kawhi Leonard. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. I'll take that. And now we just have a few inserts and then our rookies. And then that's the product, basically. So we've got Vince Carter, Kyrie Irving, Cat. Good rookie to get. Anthony Edwards, #1 pick. Kenyon Martin Jr., Elijah Hughes. Robert Woodard, LaMelo Ball, not LaMelo Ball. Udoka. Grant Rilla, every Hornet but LaMelo, and then CJ Ellaby. So that's the first look at the product. Pretty good hits. Kawhi Leonard dominating for the Clippers, and Josh Green's signature. So let's see what these other 4 can get us in future videos. Stay tuned, like, sub. Greatly appreciated. Yeah, cheers guys.